I'm Dawn, and this is where Shabby meets Bling. In the Christmas season, we are all in a hurry, we're rushing around, and I'm going to show you in 3 parts how to make 3 beautiful Christmas bows. Are you ready? Bow number 2.
We are now going to make a traditional bow. This is a graduated bow so that it will be smaller loops on the inside, larger on the outside. I am making my first loop. I've twisted it with wire. I'm going for my second loop, and I'm just going to pull them with my fingers so that I'm measuring that they are both the same length. And now I'm going to give it another twist, and then we go for the third loop. And this will continue. So you've got your loops on the outside, which will be a little bit bigger than the loops on your inside. So here we're making one of the smaller loops, and once again measure it against your other loops, and you can see it's about 1 inch shorter, and we're going to wire it and give it a twist, and then we're going to make another smaller one for in the center and continue with twisting your wire to hold it secure. I will continue until I have 7 loops total, 3 small on the inside, 4 large on the outside, and then I will arrange my loops so that they are attractive to look at because they are independently wired. You can fluff them and arrange them and make them full and beautiful. I've added 4 tails, 3 large to the bottom and 1 at the top, and that completes bow 2. Stay tuned for bow number 3 coming your way. This is Dawn with Shabby Meets Bling. Thanks for watching.